Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can become a meme coin millionaire. So, you might have heard of meme coin because of recent events, especially with Trump making a new meme coin, right? And you might be wondering how we can get rich off of these meme coins thing, right? Now, the way we can get rich is the basic principles of buying low, selling high. So, for example, here, Dogecoin. For example, one Dogecoin costs $1. And then when you go to sleep and then the next day you look at the exchange, suddenly the Dogecoin is now valued at $100 per token, right? If you sold your token at that price, you'll be multiplying your gains by 100 times. And you can see how easy it will be to get rich off of those profits alone, right? So you don't only have to invest in this Doge token, you can invest in other tokens, right? And it'll be really, really easy to suddenly get really, really rich, right? And that's the basic principle of it. But I do have to warn you that meme coin, most of it is a rug pull. Now, what does that mean? So, for example, here I'm in the exchange. For official Trump right now, you can see at January 20th, it was at $40. But right now, it's at a steady decline and it's going down to $38, right? Now, if I scroll down again, you'll see that this trend is pretty common, especially here, Kekias Maximus. You can see the value of it is only 0.034 cents. Millennium meme is only 36 4 cents, and now it's like at a plateau, and I don't think it's ever gonna go up again. What this is basically a rock pull. What's a rock pull? So imagine you have a whole stock exchange, right? But 80% of that stock exchange is held by one entity. So if that one entity sell all of his asset, the value will drop. Look at this graph. Like, imagine if you bought the meme coin at this value and then you wanted to sell it at this peak here, but suddenly it dropped. You would lose so much money. So, the way we can become a millionaire is that you'll have to time how you can invest in meme coin really, really well. If you time it even as slightly wrong, you can become someone who's really poor and lose all of your money. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.